Hi everybody, this is Professor West and welcome back. In this section we're going to be talking about the very basics of Microsoft Word. Before we do so, let me explain to you what Word is. It is a very powerful text editor, which means that you can use it to create a resume, flyers, memos at work, all sorts of things. Anything you create on a piece of paper with text and pictures. This is the start page. So when you first open it up, you should come to a page kind of like this. By default, it has a blank document, and then it has several other templates here. If you wanted to do a football party menu, for example, you could try this one. If you click more templates, then you get more options. So this is a basic photo menu. There's calendars. There's all sorts of things. There's a lot on here. Or you could always type it in the search bar here for whatever you want. For now, we're going to go to a blank document. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And this brings up, this is what Microsoft Word actually looks like. So notice my cursor right here when I start typing. Let's say this is a memo. I could put memo, colon, this is to blah, 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 whatever. So this area right down here is where what you type is going to appear. This is the main area. Let me go ahead real quick and hit you with some of these tools. Across the top here, this is called the ribbon. The ribbon. And the ribbon is broken up into tabs. Each of these are tabs, like tabs in a filing cabinet. If you had a bunch of note folders in a filing cabinet. And each one, when you click on it, like if I click on design, I get a lot of things that are related to designing my paper. If I do insert, I get a lot of things that I can insert. I could insert page numbers, I could insert a table, pictures, and so forth. And if I go back to home, these are all the tools that are the most common ones. And so for example, here, this is copy, cut, and paste in a clipboard. And then over here is things to change the font type, the size, all this stuff. Don't worry if some of this doesn't make sense right now. It will later. Most of these have a little arrow in the corner, and this arrow brings up even more options. So everything that's here should come up on the arrow. So right now I have Calibri, however you say it, at font 11. Well, all of that is in here somewhere. So, here's my size font 11 and so forth. Oh, there's Calibri right there. Calibri, I don't know how you say that. So anyway, but there's more options here. So it's just more stuff that you could do. Don't worry about all that if it doesn't make sense. It will later. So a few other things. Let me see. Right now mine says autosave and it says it's turned off. I like to have that on when I'm working. So you can always turn it on and off. We'll get to what all these commands do and how they work. If you click File, that takes you back to this starting page. Now, right now I've got it turned off, but ordinarily you would see a lot of recent documents here, whatever you've been working on. So if you've been working on the budget for the school or something, that would be one of the files that would be listed here. You could click on it and it would open it. And we're going to get to all these commands, but I just wanted to give you a quick introduction to what Word is and some of the things you can do. And so, for example, if I click on this flyer, I can actually tell it, yeah, go ahead and create this flyer just like it is. And then I could go through and make changes. Maybe I want to change what it says or whatever. So we'll get to doing all this stuff later. I just wanted to give you a quick introduction, like I said. So I'm going to stop here, and I will see you in class. Bye, everybody.